Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, my name is Michelle and I'm a mum to three gorgeous children, Isabel who is 15, Olivia who is 13 and William who is 10. And today I am doing a quick little power hour. Will has a whole day of football and I have to be there at 9:45. It is currently nearly 8:30 on the clock up on the wall, and I've got to get a load of towels on, quickly wipe over the bathrooms. I've got to make my bed, stack the dishwasher from the breakfast dishes this morning and pop that on because I didn't pop a load on last night because it wasn't super big. Just wipe over the benches. I've noticed there's a little bit of porridge from Will this morning. Make myself a cup of coffee to take to the football. Quickly give the living room a little bit of a spruce up because my mum is turning up, and put a pulled pork in the slow cooker, so that is cooking today. So hopefully I will get all of that done, and I'm going to pop on my robotic vacuum, Bruce, which I named him because you can name him, and they're available at Aldi at the moment. My Aldi still had some in stock, so if you are in Australia, head to your Aldi if you are after a little robotic vacuum, because they vacuum and they mop and they're fantastic to do those little vacuums around the house when you don't have time to do a big vacuum. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so I have actual time to get this done. Gosh, I don't know what's happening with my hair here. I've got the one bobby pin. Anyway, looking a bit like Elvis. Anyway, enough chatting from me. I'm going to get all of this done quickly, and I hope it gives you some cleaning, get something done motivation. All right, and we have a failure. Bruce was not popped on the charger properly. So I'm going to pop Bruce on the charger and I'm going to turn him on before I leave. I cannot believe
you're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you.
Ready, yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop. The first time that you stood me up, I wasn't ready, yeah, never ready. Like the forbidden fruit, I'm still waiting for. I'm still wanting more, yeah. I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, just give my heart a break. It's more than
Lunch boxes, I still have to label all of that. Isabel, Olivia and Williams. And then my little knob broke. Can't find where it is, but if William has tuck shop, they have little lunch bag, aluminium foil, baking paper. I don't use cling wrap, and lunch bags if they have to go on an excursion, and some elastic bands if I cut up any apples. Coin for tuck shop. Don't know where, I've lost this bit. I don't know where it's fallen, but I might have to get new knobs for the drawers. But this is kind of like their treat snacks.
no, never ready, yeah. Like the forbidden fruit, I'm still waiting for. I'm still wanting more, yeah. I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, just give my heart a break. It's more than sorry. Tell me what's your deal. Do you ever wonder how I really feel? Every time you turn your back, I wish I was done with that. Many times I try to start all over. Oh please, give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change. Suddenly you're gone. Always on the run. Playing with my feelings and you do it just for fun. You do it just for fun. Hey, you do it just for fun.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. I am on my way up. I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
I won't show it to you, cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Cause I don't care about you anymore. So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep.
slow cooker is on, Bruce is on, dishwasher's on, washing machine's about to finish, the house is looking tidy again, and hopefully when my mum arrives it's going to look nice and neat and tidy. I think that's Bruce telling me he wasn't charged up for longer. Anyway, I'm off to quickly fix his hair before I head out. See you in my next one, guys. Bye!
That I'm alright, like a ricochet, it will come back to you. 'Cause I don't care about you anymore, so you can't hurt me like you did before.